Welcome back. I'm doing an updated house tour today. I haven't done a house tour in probably 2 years, and this is really weird talking to a camera because I haven't talked to the camera in like 3 months. Anywho, we're normal human beings, so of course there's going to be a little bit of a mess, but I really wanted to document this time in our life and what our home looks like. Let's just get on with the tour, okay? Walking in the front entryway. Nothing has changed except the adding of shoes. We have a stuffed linen closet off to the side. I'm pretty sure that our cow rug is new. We got that from my parents. This is new. This is temporary. It's not going to be here long, but we have an oversized sofa and ottoman. This is the living room. Finally got something up on this big wall. We're going to be adding more stuff around this at a later date, but it's feeling a lot more homey in here. This is our music corner. This record player doesn't work. We need to get a new one. The living room's really coming along. It's looking a lot more nice and homey. We have lots of oversized furniture that's absolutely ridiculous. We don't need this big of furniture. It takes up all the space. Most all of the furniture we have in the house is all inherited or free, so you gotta do what you gotta do if you're not gonna buy new furniture. In this corner of the living room we have a TV, and then we have a fireplace, a nice big blanket basket. So huge. This is obviously Jagger's TV, super cute. I like to keep my books and such in here. So we're gonna move on from the entryway into this main area. I have updated this little corner a little bit. I've got all of my really special plants here. This is our game cabinet. This is a ZZ plant and I need to resurrect that. It's not doing very well. I think I had these pictures of last time I took the other video, but yeah, this is kind of just a little health corner with my baby plants that I've kept alive. Moving on to the dining room. I always have a plant or like stuff set on this side of the table because we don't use this side of the table. It's huge, absolutely massive dining area. Not much has changed in here. I think that we did put up this guy since the last video. So this is our liquor cabinet, so to speak. Jagger actually made this for me. It's moved with us through all of our houses. And we just have like, you know, liquor, wine. We've got the mugs. It's like basic drink station and just kind of decor. And this whole thing is going to be updated. Like this whole wall is going to be updated, and then into the kitchen when we do start doing renovations and that kind of thing. So, you know, because life is changing, and one of our biggest things is we're really wanting to update the house a little bit more. And so this is going to be like the first real area that we get into besides painting. Over here we have our kitchen space. This is like a wider alleyway kitchen. None of our drawers have changed. I've gotten a lot more like fun, cute little tea towels and that kind of stuff that we like to have out. The kitchen space has been very serving to us. We will be updating it a little bit just because it's starting to give us like, you know, 2012 farmhouse vibes, and we're kind of looking for something just a little bit more elevated. And something that's going to fit more of our lifestyle and aesthetic. On the back end of the kitchen, we have Jagger's office. Honestly, I don't know if this has changed much. We've definitely put up more decor in here so that it just feels a little bit more homey. My red chair, his desk and such, and then some of his military gear behind the door. This is also kind of just like a catch-all room, and then this is where we keep Pepper's litter and litter box stuff. I'm not going to be spending very much time in each of the rooms just because I don't want to get that in depth, and my life is messy and I kind of still want to keep a little bit of a privacy for like the public, but I can see the things and remember the meaning that it, you know, meant to me. Okay, we're gonna be moving into the guest hallway. Added a blanket basket because our house is freezing. We actually do have a full-on bed in here. So this is our spare bedroom. It's also my office. So this is like my office space. This is basically just where I get ready. I'll use my computer sometimes. This is mainly all of like my boho decor that I've had left over from stuff, like previous moves and whatnot. We definitely need to paint this room. This is like my favorite spot. You see me in my PJs. Super cute. I really want to turn this into more of like an updated sanctuary situation, like reading nook, like just, I really want to cater to the guests that stay in our house. And make this feel a little bit more general rather than having a feeling of like, oh, Kelly's bedroom. You know, because I'm married now. Like, me and my husband have a bedroom. It's cool, it's fine. But yeah, that is definitely Kelly's corner, and I really want to cater this more toward business and toward the guests to stay. Leaving that room, we're going into this closet. Closets are gonna be super short. This is our cleaning closet. It's an absolute wreck and I know it and I need to fix it and that's fine. It's functional, it works. I'd really like to update that at some point. Yeah, definitely would love to update that. Down the hall we have our bathroom. I don't think this one has changed as much because this was like the first thing that I decorated in the house. Really, really cute, tiny, small bathroom. This is one of the only spaces that's been very renovated. Would like to throw a different paint color in here as well, but I don't think much has changed. This is new though, outside of the bathroom. It's pretty cute. I think I got this thing for like 10 bucks. Awesome. Obviously the backyard. So kind of have updated the deck a little bit. We just finished the stairs on this side so that you can actually see out into the backyard. Before, the stairs were literally just right here and everything was cut off. Like, we have 5 acres and you couldn't see any of it. So Jack just updated that. We've got some new stairs and wanting to get new patio furniture probably next summer because this stuff is kind of just like old and dingy. We got it for free. Like I said, most of the furniture, indoor or outdoor, has been free and we've liked it that way, but it's time for something new. All of this natural light coming in is just the best. Okay, we're gonna make our way down this hallway. It's so dark. Into the laundry room. So I do have a couple things up on this massive wall. I do want to update this wall, make it a little bit more like mudroom friendly. Right now it's just so boring in here. And this is our laundry nook. Nothing matches, that's okay. We're obviously zillennials in our first house, so nothing's gonna match. It's always gonna be dirty, it's always gonna be gross, but we can do an update on this one pretty soon. We're gonna be moving into the master bedroom. I don't want to show you the master, but I want to document it also. I think I'm just gonna keep you pointed at my face instead of directly at the mess that our bedroom is. So we have the bed directly in smack dab in the center. I've got my dresser, Jack has his dresser. Look at how clean his stuff is compared to mine. That's bad. We just mounted this TV up right here. You know, dog beds that we trip over all the time. We have our master closet, which is in the need of a facelift as well. It's just absolutely just loving this for me. Thanks. Okay, moving into the bathroom. Really don't think anything has changed in here either. We've got stuff on the sink and things on the thing, and then kind of a farmhousey vibe and towels everywhere. I mean, this is what an adult bathroom looks like. We're gonna move into the garage. The boys think we're going somewhere. We're not. This is my new car. She's pretty cute. She takes up the entire thing. We usually have a motorcycle here too, but mainly we just house lots of stuff and things and need to organize. Jagger has a full-on bench set up with all of his tools and manly things, and I absolutely love that because we have anything we need at any time of the day. I have snowboards for sale. If you guys need a snowboard and you're around 5'7" or 6'2", snowboards are for sale. Please DM me. We are adults with an acreage, so we also have a riding mower. That, my friends, is not for sale. Anywho, that is the end of the house tour. I'm so glad that I could take you on this journey. Hopefully it wasn't very long and hopefully it wasn't very descriptive. Sometimes as a YouTuber, you love to hear yourself talk and you'll just keep talking and talking and talking. And then it's 30 minutes later and you're exhausted. I don't want to listen to my voice either. It's fine. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you in my next one. Bye.